Hi, I'm Simone from A Dream Come True Events. We are a decor and floral styling company based in Plumstead here in Cape Town, and today I'm going to show you how to do a floral hoop arrangement, and you can use them for many purposes such as your bridal bouquet, your bridesmaid's bouquet, as a centerpiece if you're having round tables, and you can also use them as a hanging arrangement. So the tools that you're going to need is a hoop, 10-inch size, some small cable ties, scissors, secateurs or garden scissors, some ribbon, and then you'll also need some florist tape just to cover up your construction, and you'll use this at the end of the process. Then just in terms of flowers, what you'll need is some greenery, and it's nice to have a bushy varietal. I've actually got some out of my garden. Then I've got some Irish bells, they're quite nice and thick. 2 or 3 big flowers. I've got white single stem chrysanthemums here today. Place your greenery alongside the hoop, and you can do 2 or 3 pieces at the same time. You will tie it with a cable tie. It's important to keep the end of the cable tie, which is the head part, at the back to hide your construction. Just pull that as tight as you can and then cut off the end. Use your scissor or your flower scissors, and then you can see that is the start of your hoop. So then you can continue to add different types of greenery until you've got a bit of a circular form, and continue to tie that with cable ties. When you feel that you've got enough greenery as your base, then you can start adding your flowers, and you'll start with the direction to your left, and that's how you'll place the flower. Your second flower you're going to place towards you, basically in the opposite direction of the first flower. You can always just finish it off with some greenery on the opposite end. And again, you can use 2 or 3 pieces. It's totally up to you, and it depends on the look that you're going for. Just make sure to cut your stems as well, because you don't want these poking you. If you still have some spots where you can see the cable ties, you can always just use a piece of ribbon to cover that up. And you can use any color that you want. And you can just tie that in a knot, and there you have it.